Hello friends, you're welcome back to our training video on Chima Dedicated Video channel. In today's video is part of our videos on education technology for schools in 21st century, learning environments. So in this video is part of our training on virtual school system with Google Tools. So I want to teach you how to prevent students from admitting others on Google Classroom. When you want to create virtual school system with Google Tools, Google Classroom is like the major thing you are talking about because that's where the learning takes place. So, and because it's a virtual system, unlike the traditional system where there's no way a student can admit another student without the knowledge of the school, management or the teachers. They will always be able to, identify that. But because it's a virtual system, the tendency of children manipulating some things, especially when you have a very large class, you may not notice that there are some infiltrators who never, were permitted or admitted by the school itself. So what do you do to prevent such a thing? That's exactly what this video is all about. If you are new to this channel, we encourage you, don't forget to subscribe here. It's a whole lot and a whole world of education for teachers here. So you're going to learn so much. Subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Let's go on now. You know that for you to do this, it's supposed to be that you already have your Google Classroom app installed. Like I have it here. I want to click on it now. If you don't know how to do any of this stuff, then that's why you need to join our class. Or if you're a school owner, we'll have more than 20, videos specially prepared on Google Tools Masterclass for online school creation or virtual school system. So you can easily kind of order for these videos. Let me tell you what this videos does for you. When you order them from us, it becomes your property for life. We'll give you the copyright, whatever, you just have it. And with that, you may not need us again. So all you need to do, play these videos. If you want us to send it to you as an offline videos, we can do that. But if you want them as an online videos, it's also so. But the prices, differ. I'm not trying to digress now. So you can order for the offline videos. In that case, you are not going to spend money on data. All you need to have a system where you play these videos. Your teachers can be trained with these videos and they master everything about Google Tools. So it's a win-win for everyone. So, but if you want to learn on that, you can follow us and join our online lesson and just pay a little amount and be part of what is happening today. So at this point, I have a class. I want to make sure that my students, the students that are already here, will not admit others without my knowledge. So what do? I want to go to this class called Comprehensive YouTube dollar whatever for educators. I have 10 students here already. So watch what I'm going to do right now. I don't want any of these students to be admitting people with that minority. You know why? Somebody might say, how would they admit persons? To admit someone here is very simple. Each of these students that joined this class, how did they join? I shared, admission link with them. Either admission link or admission code, any of these things. Immediately I share this link with them or the code. If they give that code to any person out there, the person will use the same code or link and join this class automatically without me knowing about it. So what do? So the wisdom here is what? Anytime you admit a particular set of students, maybe they come at a time, how we admit is this. If you want to admit students to your online school, first of all, you create a group. It could be a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group or whatever kind of group for them. Those who are interested in joining your class, they are in that group. So once they are in that group, now you give them a deadline for payments for admission fee. Anyone that pays that admission fee, either they are moved to the paid group or they are, others who couldn't pay are deleted from the group you've created. But the best is always to move them to the paid group. Once they are in that paid group, you announce the day admission must take place, that everybody must, get signed up by following the link to, register as a student. You may give them 2 days to do that or whatever, even 1 day, and you share that link. Another way, invariably, you can share the link to their individual chat. Okay, once you know that this person has fulfilled registration processes, admission process, he has done everything, whether it's per paid one or whatever, he has made payments or he has done what he's supposed to do to be admitted, you share to him or her the link to join your class. Immediately that is done, now listen to me, that's exactly what this video is all about. Remember that the link you share to that lady or that boy, he can share to another person, and the person still join this class. So what do? You go here. Now watch me. Look at this. You are seeing on top of your page, you are seeing that sign. That sign means a setting. It's a certain icon. Click on it. When you click on it, there are a lot of things you are going to see here. So this video is going to guide you on setting. With this, you can even change the name of your school. You can set it, you can correct it. You can put a school description. What's your school all about? Section. Sometimes this thing is not all about creating an online school. It could be an online class. So instead of saying school, you're talking about class. The name of your class, the section. If it's an academic class, in this case, if it's a school and every teacher has its own class, you're not talking about your class description, the section of your class. A room here might be like arms. Maybe just 1A, just 1B, and all that. You put it, subject, and all that. Now, see where I'm going that is important to me. This is what we call invitation code. You can see it here. For this particular class or school, this is my invitation code. If I share this invitation code to anyone, once the person go into Google Classroom and click where he's supposed to click, you will see either create a class or join a class. So you click on join a class. The system will demand for this code. Once he has the code, he has joined my class automatically. Invariably, the person may not need the code, or the person need to get this link. With this thing, once you click on the link directly, you find yourself in the class. All you need to do, just agree to terms and conditions. You're a member of the class. So for the fact you have got some students in your class and you want them not to recruit and admit others without your knowledge and permission, all you need to do at this point, come here and reset your code. So this resetting code is unlimited. You can reset it off and on. You register, admit students today. Immediately we have admitted them, you come and reset the code. So even if any of the students shares their own code with someone and they say, come and join the class, don't mind them, come and join, you will not pay. Once they use the old code, it will not work. It's already revoked. It's invalid. So the students will be worried, is it not the code I use in joining this class? They're already in the class. They cannot be put out of the class for now. They're already there. You're not putting them out and they cannot go on their own. So, but they won't be able to admit others into the class. And then when you admit another set of students, you come here again, you reset the code so that if any of them is trying to play smart to admit through the code they already have, they'll be wasting their time. This is what we do in regulating students when it comes to making use of all these tech resources in schools. If you don't know how to do this, a lot of kids are going to really play smart on teachers. And that's why as a teacher, you should be smarter. You should know what these things are all about, how to do them, so that you will not be, and the class you created, you keep seeing students joining. You are shouting, but you cannot prevent it. And you wouldn't want to close the entire class because there are some infiltrators in your class. What of the genuine ones? Will you also close the class against them? So study to know how these things work, and your class is secure. You only can manage and control what is going on in your class. I stopped this video at this point. Remember, 2-3 things you're going to do here right now. New to this channel, subscribe to it. And if you think this video makes sense, please, like it and share it to wherever group you belong. And then I'm going to tell you, if you're a teacher in this 21st century, or you're a school owner and your school is still doing, we have 500 population, but we don't care about tech. Hey, he will surely care about tech. Please, I encourage you, order for this videos. Or if you think you can't offer that for it because it might be so high in price, I give you just a tip. You might just get 3 or 4 of your teachers, including yourself, and sign up for our training. If you are in group like that, we can give you a discount. So when you learn with those you are dedicated teachers, they learn how to do it. You practicalize everything. Then once they master it, they can now go down to your school and teach the rest of the teachers. That's what school owners do. That's the best way to go about these things. Get ready for online school system. A lot of things have been happening. And I tell people, I'm an tech consultant, I'm going to tell you this, predicting it. A time will come when parents will keep their children at home to learn. If you're a school owner and you're not ahead of these parents to provide that home learning, learn from home, and you allow them to discover it themselves, people like us will take over your school because we're the one that give this service to parents and they wouldn't need you. But if as a school already you have this with you, when time comes, you are the one that will tell parents, let's do this, and they will trust you more than they will trust me, who doesn't have a school. But if you don't have it, they trust me more, and you're going to lose big. I'm giving you something that will definitely happen. So get ready for it. It won't cost you so much to get these videos. It won't cost you so much to attend our trainings. It won't cost you so much to watch these videos that is even free and get all you need to get. But why you need the training? Because you are just watching one out of many. Get the full training and I will tell you how it works. I stop at this point. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching. God bless you.